In this video, we review Merrill Edge versus Etrade. Have you used Merrill Edge or Etrade before? What was your experience? Leave your Merrill Edge or Etrade review in the comments section below. Merrill Edge and Etrade are two well-regarded online brokerage platforms, each catering to investors with different priorities and needs. In comparing them, investors often find that the platforms differ notably in terms of fees, tools, customer support, and ease of integration with other financial services. One striking feature of Merrill Edge is its integration with Bank of America, which can be highly advantageous for customers seeking a seamless experience across banking and investing. Through the Preferred Rewards program, users benefit from a variety of perks, such as reduced fees and higher interest on savings, as well as discounts on Merrill Edge's wealth management services. Additionally, Merrill Edge is known for its comprehensive research offerings, providing access to B of A Global Research, Morningstar, and Lipper reports, which appeal to those who value in-depth financial insights. Merrill Edge also excels in customer support, offering 24/7 service with options for in-person consultations at Bank of America branches, a benefit that is less common among online brokerages. However, Merrill Edge has some downsides, particularly for active traders. Unlike Etrade, Merrill Edge lacks access to certain markets, such as Forex and futures, which can limit investment opportunities for those interested in a broader range of assets. The platform also does not offer fractional shares, which can be a drawback for smaller investors trying to build diversified portfolios without significant capital. Additionally, Merrill Edge's margin rates are generally higher, and its user interface, while functional, is considered less intuitive by some users. For these reasons, Merrill Edge tends to be better suited to long-term investors, particularly those focused on retirement planning, rather than day traders or those seeking extensive market access. Etrade, in contrast, is often praised for its robust trading tools, especially on the Power Etrade platform, which offers advanced charting and analysis tools that appeal to active traders. The platform provides access to options, futures, and Forex trading, which makes it more versatile for investors looking to diversify beyond stocks and bonds. Etrade's mobile app is highly rated for its functionality, allowing users to trade and manage their accounts easily on the go. For new investors, Etrade also offers educational resources, and while they are less comprehensive than Merrill Edge's, they are still valuable for users seeking to expand their financial knowledge. In terms of fees, both platforms now offer $0 commissions on online stock and ETF trades, which has become standard among leading brokerages. However, Etrade generally has more competitive rates on margin loans, which could be more cost-effective for users who leverage their investments. On the downside, Etrade's customer service is mostly online, and in-person support is unavailable, which may deter users who prefer face-to-face assistance. In summary, the choice between Merrill Edge and Etrade largely depends on individual investment goals. Merrill Edge stands out for its research tools, banking integration, and benefits for Bank of America customers, making it a strong choice for long-term, research-oriented investors. Etrade, with its diverse market access and advanced trading tools, is better suited for active traders and investors who want flexibility and powerful trading features without needing banking integration. Both platforms are reliable and regulated, but each appeals to different types of investors, making the choice a matter of preference based on trading style and financial needs.